Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in template. Now see this. This distance is not given. From here they have given radius 12, then 28, 48, 50. This we need to draw 30 degree. So we'll write this point as O, A, B, this is C, this is D. Okay, so we'll start. So first we will draw horizontal line. See, first I will draw horizontal line. Then I'll mark this point, let's say O. From O I will draw vertical line. Now if I'll see, from O it is 5 mm up, there is one horizontal line. So I'll go up by 5. Now here I'm not drawing center line, I'm just drawing light line. This is point P. Now P to A, the distance between them is 10 horizontal. So I will take 10 mm horizontal and I will draw vertical line to mark point A. Now if you see, point A is how much down? 48. See, from here it is 28. So from P I will go 28 up and from there it is 48 down. This line is there, inclination, that is 15 degree. So that I can mark 15 degree. And I can draw that inclined line. And wherever it will intersect with horizontal line, let's say that point is Q. So this is Q. Now I need to mark point D, but that I will do it afterwards. First I will draw this radius 12. So from O I can draw radius 12. Now I want to mark radius 48. So this we already did 28. Now I need to mark 20 down. So from P I'll mark 20 down from that horizontal line. So from A now I'll cut 48. Now this is already 48. I'll take it from here and I will draw 48. Okay. I can draw horizontal line. Here also it is horizontal. This is confirmed, dark. Now we'll see ahead. Now this point B. If you see A and B, how much is the distance? We know this is 50. This is 3. So I'll go down by 50. Or I can draw this radius only 50. So from A I will cut 50. I will draw vertical line. Wherever it will cut, from there I'll go 3 up. And from that point I'll go 18 up. See this. So this is point B. So from B I will cut 18. So from B I will cut 18. Now if you see 72, the 72 is merging in 12 as well as 18. It's internal. So from O I will cut 72 minus 12 and from B I will cut 72 minus 18. So 72 minus 12 would be how much? 60. And 72 minus 18 is 54. So I will take 60, I will cut from O. I will cut 60 from O and 54 from B. Wherever they intersect, from that point I will cut 72. This is how I will get radius 72. Now this part is straight. And this is horizontal. This is straight line. This is 2 plus 3 plus 20, 25. So I need to draw vertical line. And I will mark 25. I'll mark 2 and 3 and I'll mark this point. From that point I will draw horizontal line and I will go 20 on that. And from there I will draw radius 20. And here I have to mark 3 mm. I have to leave 2 mm gap and mark 3 mm dark. See, I will take this to this and I will draw radius. This is C. Take C to 20 and draw arc. This is vertical line. Now I need to draw this arc, radius 40. Now if you see, this radius 40 is 40 parallel from here, and from this point 40, let's say K. So from here 40 parallel line, and from K you have to draw 40. So see, from here I am taking 40 horizontal line, I am taking 40 parallel, and from point K, which is 2 mm above, from there I am cutting 40. Wherever they intersect, that is point M, and from M to K, and I am drawing radius 40. This is the horizontal. So that's why I did that triangle. See that this way. So we got this behind part. Now we need to go ahead. Now this part, vertical line. So that I can draw, but I don't know where it will intersect with that inclined line. No? I need to draw 15 degree. So I can take directly 15 degree, and we need to draw this radius 10. So what I can do, I can draw anywhere one vertical line, take 10 up, draw horizontal line. Wherever intersect, go down, you'll get the center point D. From D you can draw radius 10. See, you'll get radius 10. Now from here I can take 15 degree. So it should be tangent to that circle. So make sure that 15 degree and it should pass through from point Q. So maybe I have taken 1 millimeter more extra. So that's why this problem. But you people do it properly. Extend this wherever it will intersect that line. This is our final thing. See this will be dark. So we are done with this sum. I hope you people have understood this sum. Thank you.